This is table with IBM dividend history, where I see their first dividend paid in 1913. And I would like to calculate how many years in a row they are paying a dividend without year-to-year decrease. So I will put here year, so 2022, 2021, and all the previous years up to 1913. And now I will just make a summary per year. So I will use SUMIFS function. I will be summing dividend amount. And my criteria range is in column A. And I want everything that is bigger than or equal to January 1st. And then I want this year 2022, so I will use just a value function to convert this text to value. So now it gives me dividends that are bigger than this year. So I will add one more condition. So I want same criteria, but if it's lower than December 31st. So I have here month and the date as it's American format. So if I press OK, copy formula down, I will see what was the dividend amount for that specific year. Now I will just use simple if function. If this one is bigger than previous year, let's count amount that will be here plus 1, otherwise put here 0. Again, I will copy this formula down and I will see that now it's 21st year when the dividend was increased for IBM. So the last dividend cut was in year 2000 when they reduced from 70 cents to 51 cents. And this is also a simple way how you can calculate some winning streak or other streak that you want.